How to reset Instagram Explore page. Hello guys, in today's short tutorial I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix this problem. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Instagram, go to the Explore page, and then make sure to like the posts and reels that you like. For example, this one, I like it. This one too, Georgina, I like it. This one, I like the sports stuff. This one, and yeah, this one too. This one, and for the posts that you don't like, for example, let's say this one here, click on it and then go to the 3 options here and click on not interested. And after you finish this, go to the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to Instagram, click on this force stop option, and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Don't forget to like, subscribe.